In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to shine jewelry in Photoshop and make your gold, silver, and diamonds look bright, premium, and eye-catching. If you're editing product photos for clients, running an online store, or posting on social media, adding realistic shine can completely transform your image and make it look professionally retouched. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also share a small tip that makes the sparkle look natural instead of over-edited. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop editing guides. Let's get started. The first step to making jewelry shine is brightening the highlights using curves. Go to the top menu and click on Image, then Adjustments, and choose Curves. You'll see the curve graph appear. What we want to do here is slightly lift the highlights. Click on the upper part of the curve line and gently drag it upward. Be careful not to overdo it. A small adjustment makes a big difference. This step increases the natural shine on metal and gemstones by enhancing the brightest areas of the image. Jewelry shine mainly comes from bright highlights combined with strong contrast. If the highlights are dull, the jewelry will look flat and lifeless. By lifting the highlights slightly, you're restoring that premium reflective look that metals like gold and silver naturally have. As you adjust the curve, keep an eye on the image. Focus especially on reflective surfaces, such as the edges of rings, prongs holding diamonds, and curved metal areas where light naturally hits. If the image starts looking washed out, pull the curve back down slightly. The goal is controlled brightness, not blown-out whites. Once you're happy with the highlight boost, click OK to apply the adjustment. Already, you should notice the jewelry looking brighter and more polished. Now let's enhance the sparkle even more using the Dodge tool. This is where we add realistic shine to specific areas. Go to the toolbar on the left and select the Dodge tool. You can also press the letter O on your keyboard as a shortcut. After selecting it, look at the top settings bar. Set the range to highlights. This ensures that only the bright areas are affected, which keeps the effect natural. Next, set the exposure between 5 and 10%. This is very important. Keeping the exposure low allows you to build up shine gradually. If you use a high exposure, the jewelry will look fake and overexposed. Now gently start brushing over the edges of diamonds and gemstones. Focus on the small facets where light would naturally reflect. Use a soft brush and click lightly rather than dragging aggressively. Build up the brightness slowly in layers. Then move to the reflective parts of gold or silver. Lightly brush along the curved edges, then metal lines and raised details. Imagine where a studio light would hit the surface and enhance only those areas. This technique creates realistic sparkle because you're enhancing what's already there instead of adding artificial light. If you ever feel the shine is too strong, you can reduce it by undoing a step or lowering the opacity if you're working on a duplicate layer. Subtlety is key when retouching jewelry. The best edits are the ones people don't notice. As a final tip, zoom out occasionally while working. Sometimes sparkle looks perfect up close, but too harsh when viewed at normal size. Viewing the full image helps you maintain balance and realism. And that's it. That's how you shine jewelry in Photoshop using curves to brighten highlights and the Dodge tool to enhance sparkle. With just these two simple techniques, you can dramatically improve your jewelry photos and give them a high-end professional finish. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.